Want to set up a recurring transfer to your accounts so you don't have to remember to do it every month? Well, with Ent's digital banking, you can. Select the Move Money tab, click Make a Transfer, select a share from the Transfers dropdown, then select a share from the To dropdown, type in your amount, and select when you would like to set this up. Now, later, or recurring. We're going to do recurring. From the recurring, we need to select when and how often we would like this transfer to go through. Here are your options. We're going to click every month, and then select the day we want the transfer to start. We'll do the 25th of every month. Now you have another option, the duration. Never ends, last transfer date, or number of transfers. So never ends means this transfer will go on until you decide to stop it. A transfer date, you can choose a date you wish this transfer to stop, or you can even do the number of transfers that you would like for this specific amount to go through. We'll do never ends. You can now put in a personal note. So this will be for groceries. And this note will be attached to each transaction once this transfer occurs, and you'll be able to see this on your statements. Click Continue. Here is your confirmation screen to ensure that you set up this recurring transfer correctly. And then confirm transfer. On this screen, you'll see your success message. You can make another transfer or view your accounts. Thanks for using Ent's digital banking and for being an owner member.